fellas and ladies, Survive Exit here, and today we're going to talk about a tool that I saw online when I was looking at this stuff to test. This right here is what they call a 6-in-1. You got to have an axe head on it, and with a thing here to take the nails out, and you got a shovel head. Get out of the package right here to put on this. This right here has got a beer opener or a can opener. To me, you gotta be kind of desperate to have to use a shovel to open your bottle. So, and this right here, pop that up, and that's gonna be your saw blade. And like I said, I've seen this online. I think it's around 12 bucks. They go for 10 to 20, but I thought this was a neat little thing, even though some of it looks kind of cheap, but I'm going to give it a shot today and see how good it is. Off the bat though, this handle, you see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got grooves in it, and it kind of bites you a little bit. So, but yeah, let's give it a shot. Like I said, this goes in here, and here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try the axe head out first. This right here is actually the saw. It actually stays in there, and it's supposed to lock. Here, see if I can do it with one hand. Push it like that, and it locks into place like so. But I've noticed it's got a little play in it. But let's chop something and we see how it does. Okay, this right here is going to be a cedar tree here, and I'm going to chop it 10 times and let's see what happens. Well, I wasn't anticipating that. Maybe I hit it too hard or something. Okay, that didn't go as planned. Looks like it slipped out of that hole. If I can show a good picture of that, that's bent. See that? So, what I thought was a neat little device came a POS. And I'm going to try to bend it out. I'm not going to use this anymore because it won't hold up to that. And I may try the saw out, but first let me see, even if I can bend this out just ever so slightly, because this won't fit back on it. And the shovel won't either. Oh, we get the shovel on there, but that's not a great fit. So, let me see if I can bend this out a little bit. It does come with a head on it, so let me just give it a little few whacks. There we go. So, the hammer works good. I guess because it needed for this. So let me, try to saw out and see what happens. Okay, so I put it back in there, and we'll give it a shot. This is what I did last time. This is the Jungle Master. This is the Tonto Safari, I think it was. And so I'm going to do it in the middle, and let me see how this does. Hopefully it don't fall apart on me again. Good. It's flexing a lot. Not that great, I don't think. There you go. It cuts, but this thing is wobbling so bad. See all that play in it? It's not messing up the teeth any. I mean, if you need to do it, you can use it, but it's not that great. It's cheap. So there should be on that one. The overview of this product is it's not that great. In fact, it sucks. Even I got a boo-boo out of it. But this right here has even got a sharp edge around it after I use it with the axe, and that's why I cut myself. It's feel like it's made out of good material, but this right here, I can bend that with my hands, and it's not gonna work good for a shaft. This company here, I had to go look it up. It's made by Stansport, I think it is. It's been out, that company's been around 80 years, 70 years, something like that. But yeah, this is a cheap product. Still bent. I'm not planning on bending it back out. In fact, it may go out into my little hidey hole. I'm not even going to try to show it out. I'll pull it out again. And this one. There we go. Because it doesn't even fit like it lined up like it's supposed to. And so I'm just overall, this product sucks. Don't buy it. If you do, I warned you. Okay? And there she be.